Hey everyone, hope you guys are all doing well and you're all home and you're safe, because that's the most important thing right now, as the COVID situation is very bad, and we are in the lockdown and we haven't done any production since end of April. But we are going to do something interesting for you guys. We're planning to have a nice Q&A session, Tarun and me.
So I'll be joining the Q&A with my mom, and I'll be answering as many questions as possible. So comment any questions you have in the comments below and we'll answer as many as possible.
So we don't have the team with us, but we'll try to do our best, and we'll create some nice content for you guys, of course with limited resources.
It'll be very different.
Yeah. So it's going to be very different, so just bear with us, and in case if you guys have missed out on the episodes, cooking with my son, there are a lot of episodes. Please go and take a look at those, and yeah, just send in your questions, whatever you want to ask, and we'll see how many we can answer. All right. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.